Ever wondered about the significance of renewable energy or felt the pinch of skyrocketing electricity bills? Imagine harnessing the power of the sun, the most abundant source of energy, right from your own backyard. Today, we're exploring the fascinating process of creating solar panels at home. First, gather the necessary materials. You'll need solar cells, tabbing wire, bus wire, a soldering iron, solder, a wooden board, a protective glass sheet, silicone, and a multimeter. Keep in mind, safety first. Always wear gloves and eye protection when handling these materials. The journey begins with laying out the solar cells on the wooden board in the arrangement that best suits your energy needs. Usually, a 6x6 grid of cells optimizes both space and output for a standard panel. Be sure to leave room for wiring. Next, heat up the soldering iron. Apply a thin line of solder along the white lines on the front of each solar cell, known as the cell bus bars. These will act as the landing pads for the tabbing wire. Now it's time for tabbing wire. Cut strips of wire slightly longer than the cells. Lay the wire on the soldered bus bars and apply the heated soldering iron. The solder melts, fusing the wire to the solar cell. Repeat this process for each cell, connecting them in a series, positive to negative. After each cell is connected, it's time to attach the bus wire. This thicker wire collects the current from the tabbing wires and carries it to the solar inverter. Solder the bus wire onto the first and last cells in the series, creating a chain of power. Once the cells are all wired up, it's time to secure them to the wooden board. Apply a thin layer of silicone to the back of each cell and press it onto the board. Make sure the cells are firmly attached, and then let the silicone dry. The final step is to protect your work. Place a glass sheet over the cells and secure it with silicone. This sheet shields the cells from weather and damage, ensuring your panel's longevity. And there you have it, your very own homemade solar panel. In summary, by arranging and soldering solar cells, attaching them to a wooden board, and protecting them with a glass sheet, you can create a solar panel right at home. This process not only allows you to contribute to a more sustainable future by utilizing renewable energy, but also offers a practical solution to reduce electricity costs. The benefits of creating your own solar panels are numerous. Beyond the financial savings, you gain a sense of accomplishment and self-reliance. You also actively participate in an eco-friendly initiative, doing your part to reduce carbon emissions. Harnessing the sun's power has never been more accessible. So, why not give it a try? Create your own solar panel and step into a brighter, greener future.